Hello everyone! I am super excited to introduce OPPO Reno 10 series to you and all of its amazing features. Let's start with the design of Reno 10. The Reno 10 has a new premium color scheme. The glossy purple color is a new addition to the Reno series. It has a shiny glass texture with a metallic purple tone that looks elegant. The silvery gray color is a calm silver gray with a CD pattern shading on the back cover and the glass beam-like texture on the camera. It creates dynamic light and shadow effects that make the phone look classy. The material used for this color is low-glow AG glass, which feels soft and delicate like velvet, and these colors will give the user visual and tactile enjoyment. The back cover is made of Gorilla Glass 5, which will make it more durable against scratches. The phone is slim and strong, with a 3D curved design that ensures a comfortable and smooth grip. It has an ultra-slim periscope camera, making it one of the thinnest phones in the industry. The front and back covers are designed with a 56-degree curve, making it comfortable to hold and use. It's thinner and lighter than other periscope telephoto phones in the industry, yet it has strong imaging power. The phone has a big and clear screen that covers almost the entire front of the phone. It has a slim border around the screen, which is the narrowest in Reno's history. The screen is 6.74 inches and has a 3D curved design that makes it look borderless. The screen-to-body ratio is 93.9%, which means that most of the front of the phone is the screen. This makes for an impressive experience when you use the phone. The phone has a 10-bit image display and a 1.5K ultra-clear borderless display with a high resolution of 2772 and 1240 pixels. It has a wide color gamut and a strong brightness of 500 nits, with a local peak brightness of up to 1400 nits, which means it can display clear and bright pictures even under bright sunlight. The phone also has a Pro XDR smart display control that can adjust the brightness of the highlighted areas in the photos to resemble the light and shadow perception close to the human eyes. This makes photos in the album brighter and with a better sense of depth. Also, by being equipped with LTPS dynamic refresh rate from 45 Hz to 120 Hz, you will have a very smooth usage experience while saving the battery. The phone has a high-quality display that is HDR10 Plus certified. The HGS Eye Protection certification and SGS Low Blue Light certification, which means it's safe for your eyes. The phone also has Amazon, Netflix and YouTube HDR certifications. In summary, the phone has a clear and bright display with high resolution and brightness that can display vivid and natural photos. Now that we have seen the Reno 10 is just simply beautiful, let's dive into the part where we will see that it is also a beast. The OPPO Reno series smartphones are known for their impressive photo-taking abilities, thanks to the advanced camera hardware and software. Here are some of the key features that contribute to the Reno 10's impressive photo-taking capabilities. The ultra-clear portrait camera system on this device is truly impressive. It features a flagship-level rear camera combo that includes a 50-megapixel ultra-clear main camera, Sony IMX890 flagship sensor with optical image stabilization, a 64-megapixel telephoto portrait camera with OIS, and 112-degree 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. The main camera has an f1.8 lens aperture with a 1 by 1.56 inch ultra-large sensor. The telephoto portrait camera is one of the highest megapixel telephoto portrait cameras in the industry, with an industry-leading 1 by 2 inch super large sensor size and f2.57 aperture. Also can show off with 3 times the optical zoom, 3 and 6 times the ultra clear zoom, and 120 times the digital zoom. So this is the front camera of Reno 10. There are 3 things, in my opinion, I believe are superior. First one is it has this zoom thing. So now it's ultra wide, 0.8. After time keep going up, it's like 1x time. And also it has the 2x time. Yeah. So if you want to get more people in the camera, you don't have to extend your hand or get a tripod. So this is pretty good. Second thing is the autofocus. As you can see, I can move closer, move further. The focus is still on me. That's good. And also searching is the quality of the image. I'm actually impressed. So yeah, these things are, in my opinion, one of the best things about the front camera. And plus this is video. Before we move to the next part, I wanted to talk about this little sensor, which is generally not noticeable and not much talked about, but plays a big role in improving photo and video quality. The 13-channel color temperature sensor. The color temperature sensor can detect the temperature of ambient light and adjust the white balance of the screen and camera, resulting in a more accurate representation of colors in photos and videos. And by capturing more accurate shades and hues in low-light environments, leads to better low-light photography. Brings improvements to video recording too. The sensor can help ensure more consistent color temperature across different lighting conditions while recording videos, enhancing the overall video quality, making it look more professional. The Silicon X NPU also helps to enhance the performance of the camera in the Reno 10 by providing improved image processing, significantly enhancing video and photo capture quality and providing images with greater clarity and increased accuracy. Okay, now we are done with the hardware part. Let's talk about what benefits this hardware gives us. Let's start with portraits that are at professional DSLR level. With the help of a 64-megapixel telephoto portrait camera with optical image stabilization that has one of the highest resolutions in the industry, we can capture stunning, professional-looking portraits with just our beloved Reno 10 smartphone. With the 3x optical zoom equivalent to a professional focal length of 71mm, we can create images with a shallow depth of field, blurring the background and creating a professional-looking photo that mimics the look of a high-end camera. And with the free adjustments of the f1.4 to f16 aperture, the flare bokeh effect is benchmarked to a standard DSLR lens. Why don't you see it for yourself? Since we started talking about the superior features of the Reno 10, why don't we move to the next one? To the fast, durable and reliable SuperVOOC S charging. With the charging wattage of 100 watt SuperVOOC flash charging, your Reno 10 can be charged to 50% in just 10 minutes. And with 5 minutes of charge, you can play games for up to 2 hours on your smartphone. It is also worth mentioning that with 5 minutes of charge, you will be able to watch hours of YouTube and TikTok videos. The large battery of 4700 mAh will make sure that you won't run out of juice throughout the day. The third feature is the BHE, Battery Health Engine, which helps expand the battery lifespan. OPPO's exclusive Battery Health Engine can help the battery remain durable even after 4 years of use, with up to 1600 charge cycles. The engine can effectively reduce lithium precipitation, keep lithium ions alive, and thereby prolong the battery life. It also has a smart battery health algorithm that tracks real-time electric potential across the negative electrodes inside the battery, effectively minimizing the occurrence of dead lithium while maintaining the maximum charging current. Additionally, it has battery healing technology that continuously repairs the electrodes during the battery's charge and discharge cycles, forming a more stable and durable film called solid electrolyte interface. The fourth feature is the durable battery, which is the most durable battery in the industry and provides a durable battery experience to users. It has the most extensive charging temperature coverage, from -20 degrees to 35 degrees. The battery passed the TUV Rhineland test, with the battery capacity maintained at above 80% after 1600 charge-discharge cycles, ensuring durability after 4 years of use. Let's talk about the TUV Rhineland Safe Fast Charge System certification, which is a certification that OPPO has received for its flash charging system. The certification involves a total of 40 tests, which test the reliability of the wired charger, cable, smartphone and mobile charging system, combined with extra harsh environment tests to ensure a reliable OPPO flash charge experience. These tests include the cable temperature test, hot plug-in test, output cable flexing test, drop test, thermal abuse test, cycle lifetime system, fast charge function compliance, 60% battery capacity charging, and more. In addition to the original safe fast charge system certification, OPPO engineers and Rhineland engineers have enriched the test scenarios with a newly added test in the harsh environment category. This test involves testing the benefits brought by OPPO's newly upgraded freeze protection algorithm in extremely cold environments. Overall, this certification highlights the rigorous testing that the OPPO has undergone to ensure its flash charging system is reliable and can withstand various environmental conditions, providing a stable and safe charging experience for users. At this point, we have talked about the amazing display, Reno-style camera setup, and charging features of Reno 10. Get ready to experience lightning fast speeds and efficiency with the flagship Qualcomm platform Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The advanced 4nm process 5G octa-core chip delivers up to a 10% increase in CPU performance, a 30% increase in power efficiency, and a 20% enhanced AI performance compared to the previous generation. As you can see, the smartphone is a true powerhouse. But that's not all. The smartphone also features the most powerful cooling system in Reno history with an area of 5,884 square millimeters, with an exclusive ultra-conductive graphite material that leads the industry in terms of thermal conductivity. The VC area has been increased by a whopping 92% comparing to the previous generation, ensuring that the phone stays chill even when the game gets hot. With its super large VC liquid cooling area of 3,500 square millimeters, high thermal conductive graphite, and bottom box graphite, this phone offers unparalleled heat dissipation. You won't have to worry about the phone heating up or getting stuck even after long-term use of memory-consuming apps such as games and camera. Now let's talk about the beautiful ColorOS 13. Introducing the revolutionary multi-screen connect feature from OPPO. This incredible innovation allows you to connect your Reno 10, Pad and PC seamlessly and efficiently, taking your office productivity to a whole new level. With Multi-Screen Connect, you can cast your phone screen to your OPPO Pad, enabling you to control both devices and use them simultaneously. You can copy text on one device and paste it on the other, and even drag and drop files between them effortlessly. Plus, you can connect your OPPO Pad to your phone's mobile network with just one tap. But that's not all. Multi-Screen Connect also allows you to connect your PC, enabling you to screencast, reverse control, and transfer files of various formats without consuming data use. You can even run up to 2 apps at the same time. And the Smart AOD feature on OPPO smartphones allows users to access music playback controls and take away information directly from the locked screen without the need to unlock the screen or launch the app. This is particularly useful for users who frequently use music apps or order takeaway food. Another unique feature of Reno 10 is the IR remote control. This feature allows users to control multiple home appliances conveniently using their smartphone. Users can use infrared remote control app and select the corresponding appliance type and model in the app. This feature is compatible with most smart electronic devices of common brands on the market, such as TVs, set-top box, and air conditioners, with a coverage rate of over 90%. The IR remote control feature can be used at home, hotels, and anywhere else where remote controls may be lost, damaged, or not easily accessible. The message of this video is very clear. Reno 10 is a true testimony of a premium, well-rounded smartphone from OPPO with a premium design and amazing photo and video taking abilities. With a super fast chipset and fast and safe charging, you will be on top of your game throughout the day. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.